Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. It's Jenna G. Welcome back to my channel. We are not in my kitchen today. We are not going to be doing a cooking video. At least I'm not going to be doing the cooking. Today's video I am going to be cooking with my grandmother, and she's going to be making a dish that I honestly never really heard about. It's Baigan Choka and tomato choka combined.
Wait to eat this.
Now let me mix it up there.
Turn the next one. And this three, we go do it here and we go,
Yeah, we got 3 tomato here.
and then put the tomato, and then we go crush them up. We only have to leave 9 o'clock.
Chef, you like to stay?
You go stay. But making mashing
So
up
that's
this,
not like Mauritania?
something,
kinda like
something like that, yeah. What I could do, I will cook, make this separate, and that separate, and then add the two in one. You understand? Yeah.
You never feel them
This,
looking so.
yeah. We get in there, don't worry.
Slowly but
Phone,
surely.
phone.
I think it will so fast.
Don't spell it, but right.
Yeah.
You go for the next one, boy.
You turn it with your hands though?
Hmm?
You turn it with your hands?
Yeah, that's nothing. How much it have?
3 more.
Alright,
Put
put
it
it.
around.
Feel that fella almost done.
This one? No.
I need to get a thing like this.
Hmm?
I need to get a setup like this so I could cook
You ask your uncle where to get it. I
I
think
have
me.
one hope.
Eh? You have one like that? Well,
Just
good.
like this. Well, not just like this, but same too good.
This good for outdoor.
Roast a goat head on this.
Yes.
You see goat head, huh?
I love that.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, where you get that?
You just roasted yourself, huh?
No, there's cut it up and do roast and everything for me.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah. I love goat head. Yeah.
I will bring out the goat head, but I know eating it.
You don't like it?
No, I do eat anything head and thing.
It's real nice. You have to well cook that nice, eh?
I don't know what you're doing.
Yeah, right.
Look at that fella. He good though.
Eh?
Yeah,
Come. It's
Bring
young,
two.
you see.
I'll bring 2 more.
But bring 2 again for me. I want you to come to help me. Watch how my hands swell here, Jen.
Why?
I see about the pumpkin. And I can't cut it up. And when you chip it for me now,
Yeah,
I
I'll
will
cut it
chunk
up.
it.
We're making pumpkin too?
Pumpkin too, yeah.
Papa, you.
And I want to make aloo choka too.
God, I wish I'd known about that.
With saltfish in it. Let me do it now. Suppose I pass away. You go say, oh boy, you know, ma do this, ma do that. I like
plenty already.
I like to no, I like to do them thing.
Alhamdulillah.
Yeah, I like to do them thing. But I must have the strength. This almost done, you know.
Tell me, you know.
Take it on.
You soft, you soft.
Yeah, so we'll put it, take it.
I roast this one for myself.
Yeah. Good. Right. I had to get cool, eh?
Yeah, as you go yourself.
We go.
I'll put this one.
Nice it?
Yeah. I'll get it there, but
Huh? When it's done, now to have a little bit of it. This had a cold, we go wash it. Peel it out, wash it and then mix it up.
wash it.
Yeah, how you gotta wash it?
I gotta wash it.
Huh?
After I cook, I gotta wash it.
In the water. You can't let the skin and black go in.
I like a little black, like
A little bit, but not much now.
And then they want to let it wash.
You don't know?
Are you putting tomato in the same bowl with the baigan?
No, I'm going to bring a bowl. Bring a next bowl.
Or you going below?
It's going down.
Oh my goodness gracious me.
That's all right, that's okay.
Gotta
That's all
get
right.
tongs.
That's all right. What
Or
are the
spoon.
faults?
Oh yeah.
To pick it up.
Yeah, I hold him so and one of man. That one get away man.
That one.
Splatter.
And then roast up nice
Yeah,
enough.
boy. There we have spoon.
Yes, put on the spoon.
All of them will start to do that though.
Huh?
As you're cooking through, they'll fall through.
You go.
Because it's facing big.
Ah man, you get one.
I get one.
He get roast.
Yeah. Oh, this heat hot.
Put some more. Now this one a little bit. It kind of low.
That's it.
That's it.
How about washing it, man? You wash it. You do that first, then washing it.
No, and you always do wash it.
No, do it like how you do it. We want to see how you do it.
Wash it, don't leave it.
So normally this stage you just wash it, and all the blacknesses come out.
But then put some blackness in it.
To do them baigan skin.
What I say, we had a neck basin.
Mm-hmm.
You gotta make it separate.
Yeah, I don't
Oh,
come out.
I thought you just make it right together.
No, I don't mash two of them to separate and then add it.
I'm gonna look for next basin.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
You got that, boy.
Say mashed up. Fine. So after mashing for about 25 minutes, we now gonna add two of them together.
Master, throw the tomato in that
On
one.
top of it, right here.
Yeah, throw it in.
Ready for it?
Then you
I've
just need the
never
garlic
seen
and
this
the
one.
dal.
Yeah.
Right, now put.
Mash it some more now, ma?
No, we can just mix it up.
Huh?
Because it
Right,
mashed
mix it up.
already.
Mix it up.
I'm putting the onions and thing now.
Yeah.
Oh no, you put the onions on top.
Yeah, no. Put it and mix it up.
Put the onions. Mix it.
Them, ma.
Put it now, put it.
So you don't throw the hot oil on it.
I will throw the hot oil on top of it.
So you could cook chunk like cook
Yeah,
up
yeah.
the pepper and thing too.
Yeah.
Just gonna bring this.
A spoon.
You put the pimento,
Yeah.
the hot pepper too.
Oh no, I'm putting it now.
Alright.
Put that in.
Alright, Jizzy. God bless all of you for helping me.
God bless you for inviting us.
Huh?
God bless you for inviting us here.
Yes.
Here.
Because of you are doing that, boy.
Want you to know?
Throw all ma?
What?
All of this
Everything
in?
in?
Yeah,
Or keep some for when you throw in the oil.
Oil.
Okay.
I'm going to throw the oil now, right.
So mix it up, right?
How much pimento you put?
2.
Right. And how much cherry pepper?
2 only.
No, put more. That's it too?
No, I put 2 already in there.
Yeah, but I put about 4 more.
Okay.
Mix it up.
Oh, hold on. Yeah.
Fine.
You put
Yeah.
how much cherry pepper?
I put 5
Put
total.
down now.
You can eat more of the food just so, man. Raw
Huh?
cherry pepper.
Huh?
The white hot top.
Yeah.
I have
Put
never
salt now.
seen.
Put salt out there. Let the oil well hot now.
You're putting in now. Salt.
Salt.
Alright.
Not enough.
And you can have cake here. Baigan and tomato cake. I know no grandparents again.
Right. You have no grandpa, look at.
So you would
You have meat, so don't worry. Right, turn again. He will help out the outside. How to taste it, eh?
So for salt.
Looking nice though.
And we never
Ma, I
this
never
before.
see this before. Never even hear about this before.
Need pepper, salt.
I could throw the oil in it.
I'll show the oil. It's still not turning up. You see it still has some baigan below?
Yeah.
Right.
I see that now.
And the baigan nice.
Yeah.
Ready. And mix it up. I healthy. Mix it up.
Yeah, be careful, eh?
Mix up. Oh Lord. I tell you to come on it to help. And you really come to help. What happened?
Can't wait to eat this.
Come take a look thing and come and eat.
Well, let me mix it up for you.
Candice, tell me sugar.
Whole wheat too. Whole wheat, yeah.
Whole wheat, yeah. I do it no roti except whole wheat.
Very good, man.
Yeah.
See you use that boss.
Yeah, well, I had to watch what I eat there now. This I'm going to use my tower.
Yeah, so you can make just one.
No. You mean make my open there for me, darling?
Yeah.
Yeah. You will see a tower, a iron one. Not that.
The one underneath.
Yeah.
How much flour you have, ma?
3.
I have none.
None. So how do you make your roti?
On a pan. I find one the other day.
This is the rule. Where's that being? Put this way.
I don't wash it.
You're making it right there, ma? You're making it right there. The roti.
Make it here.
Wherever. You rolling on a cloth?
No.
Oh.
I got it here.
It's really big for the tower.
No, I will go full. When I say you fit right up now.
It fit
You
perfect.
see? And I tell you.
Roti making.
I have container.
Look, it's swelling.
It's swelling?
Can now popping up.
Okay, let me get it cold.
Seen it?
I've seen it.
This I never do home. I just use a pan.
I can't get your old tower. I have to buy a new one for you.
And you know, mine is swell normal in a pan. And I don't even do this part of it. It swell for itself.
This I buy this after Dad died.
What the?
This tower. Because he never liked, he wanted tower in a bigger stove. And I can't handle that. The udon.
Check that now.
I better cook all the roti here, yes?
Look how nice.
Call Jolly Lazy, Kali. Come. I will cook it here, dear.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this little
Just how to make
video,
this
spending time with my
pumpkin
grandmother cooking and seeing hearing her. She made the Baigan Choka and tomato choka all combined. She made her sada roti and I must say it was actually pretty delicious. So as always, thanks much to Ma. She is one of the people who would have introduced me to all this nice Trinifood and some of her ways of cooking. Definitely one of the best cooks for sure out there. These grandparents and older folks definitely know their way around the kitchen for sure, no doubt about that. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Look out for my next video. I have up cooking with somebody else, a next person who has definitely shown me how to cook, and another one of the best cooks I know for sure. So stay tuned to that video.